Welcome to Big Data Analytics 101 course. This course provides a very comprehensive view of the fundamentals of big data analytics. The course lasts 2.5 hours, and does not require any prior knowledge. At the first chapter of Big Data Analytics, we will look at the basics of what, why, and how of data. The second chapter discusses in depth the big data technologies, starting with big data architecture frameworks that will help you to decide on the most appropriate big technology solution to use when you are involved in big data projects. Compares and contrasts data lake against data warehouse implementations. The chapter concludes with the importance of cloud for big data and analytics solutions. How do organizations handle, organize, or utilize large volumes of structured and unstructured their data efficiently? Welcome to Big Data Management. This chapter will help you understand how big data management tools and technologies can help you in your quest to efficiently manage the big or small data of your organization. The fourth chapter presents everything you want to know about big data analytics that would help you to get insights and make sense of your big data. We will discuss and contrast the various data analytics types, namely descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics, learn about machine learning, text analytics, and focus on Spark and other popular big data analytics technologies. In the last chapter, we will learn through a series of use cases of how multinational corporations and industry movers have incorporated and excelled in their businesses through the strategic implementation of big data analytics.